Oh, it's already better. That... no, Roblox Studio. Oh, no, what's happening? I hate when it does this with the... So, yeah, I'm making a, Stranger Things game. Now, I only have 1 hour for the first part, so I'll just start trying to make the upside down system. Right now, hold on, I don't know where I left off yesterday. We have the starter character for now. We have a few powers, some meter, oh, we're here, and a map that generates itself, and the void. Now I have not fixed the void yet, because I just remade the whole dimension system to fit for the upside down, because before it was around the map, it was generated around the map, because yes, it does generate by itself. By the way, we can fly to there. Also, I think we can see what happens when I teleport. Yeah, it plays an animation on the clone. So yeah, it's all over there. Yes. And it generates by itself. So yeah, we have all this. Yeah, and we can also... Oh yeah, for now the throwing system isn't very fast, so for now I just do this when I throw. Yeah, that's a lot better. But I cannot really set it up correctly for now. I'm not done yet, of course. And then you have what the regeneration methods, like food. Yes, I used waffles. So yeah, that's the main map, and it sets itself up automatically whenever a new round starts. You have all kinds of things. You have some bikes that you can bring. You can rotate. I mean, if it works, yeah, like this. I don't know why R wouldn't work. I mean, in all kinds of sides. Hold on, if I can... And then you can do what E.T. did, but better. Hold on, let me bring it close. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that's how he did it. We have all the map. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make the upside down generation. I mean, first I need just to see where did I place the lamps. So mostly some street lamps. Yes, we got the arcade. I mean, I know it's not a one-to-one copy of the series, but I'm no builder. I mean, I know how to build a bit, but not enough to make a whole map like this, so this is from the toolbox. Kinda like Terra Terror. You know, okay, apparently this does not have an interior. Dustin's house. So yeah, it doesn't have everything. I added manually the lab afterwards. And this was already here, but yeah. And I had to code separately this because yeah. Hold on, let me just also a way to throw things, and it even works in multiplayer for now. Hold on, let me just start a dual client setup. Oh no, not team test, client server, 2 players, launch. Ah, I miss the old studio UI. These idiots don't even know what the community like. Same for the stupid age verification stuff and age groups and new publishment requirements. Some hundreds of thousands of games won't even be playable anymore because of this. Because their owner left them, they don't work on it anymore, things like this. Oh. It's always so slow to set up the dual client. But it works, I mean. Oh, I hope one day I'll have the same spawn for both clients. It would be so cool. And yes, I can now stream again because I cleaned my PC, which was filled with dust, and that's why it didn't work probably properly before. So that's player 2. Where's player 1? Oh, he is here. Let me bring player 1. I think he should be where's ready? Radio Shack's here, Jesus is here. Alright, I'll bring player 1. If I can select. Wait, does it not work? I don't know, I cannot select the players. Oh, it was behind the tree. The tree was blocking it because of its hitbox. So yeah, you can lift players, it works really well, and you can throw them. Same on player 1. Boom. And you can enter, but for now you cannot. However, it does know whenever you're around him. Look, see? If I'm getting close, because it's gonna be a round-based game, like SCP Secret Lab, which I do have a scene for, I just realized, with nothing. Okay, great. So yeah, these are all the test objects. This is the really heavy part. This is a normal part, a car, bike, and some waffles. This one's the infinite one. That's why it's shining. By the way, if you're looking at it at the live from in replay, because right now there's nobody on it, it contains spoilers for the series, so yeah. So I also prepared some icons, that's why they're here. This is the health, it does work, the powers, and behind it is the stamina, which I don't know where I'll place the bar, but right now it's not even useful. So yeah, I'm gonna try to make the upside down. First I need to know how I'm gonna make it. Uh, so yeah, this is how everything is stored. This is the void. It's generating by itself. You can see, ah, you can see the walls, the ceiling, and the water on the bottom with the other floor. It is here. It's just not very bright in here. If I add a point light, we will see everything. At least I hope so. 120. 5 brightness, yeah. It's not very visible like this, but I added a point light inside the dimension to see it, so yeah. So yeah, that's how it works, and it has every lighting setting is in it. The real world doesn't have any lighting, because, well, it's preset, and I have to work on the upside down. So yeah. Hold on, I haven't tested the pool yet. I just recently added the water, but I don't know what it looks like directly from it. And I'm not gonna select anything inside because the list of objects in it is very long. So yeah, basically the game will have some classes. The main one being 11, which I'm working on right now. It also these powers also will work on 1 or Henry. I don't know how you call him. How do you even get down? Oh, it's not that deep. Oh yeah, it's kind of like this. So yeah, it's pretty cool, except you don't float at all. But I mean, it's not a game made for that. The only advantage with that is that if you bring somebody here, they cannot get to you. If I, for example, if I get out and get one of the things, I put it in a pool. Oh yeah, no, you do. Oh yeah, then that's not very useful. Except maybe hiding. How does it stand like this? Is it the collision box? Ow. Ow. Let me fling it. It works so well. Yes, we have star chords here. There's a truck you can pick up. I mean, it's kind of stuck behind some other object. Oh yeah, something I forgot to say is that there's a limit to the power. If I lift this thing for too long, I mean, if I can even find it with my mouse. Okay, I'm already pretty low. So, yeah, there are two types of failures. The one when you are directly inside the dimension, and the one with objects. Oh, wow, that's glass material. It really does make it look like the Upside Down by itself. So, yeah, where is a car? Need to lower it pretty low. Alright, now I'll go inside. And yes, I didn't create every audio for once, instead of reusing what's in the toolbox. You see, this point light is following your character everywhere. And it's gonna be a cut in a few seconds. Yeah. And then you can't even interact with anything. It's not the same audio, it's randomized, but except we all know what Roblox's randomization does. Finally, something else! And it's the same one. The randomization is bad. Yes, it does work through the trees because they don't have any collisions. But yeah, that I can't even press F. Can't even press F to enter the dimension. Yeah, can't even get any cars from where am I? Oh yeah, I can't even get any cars from there. I mean, if there wasn't a tree blocking. But yeah, and the only way to get some back is through food. Or other ways if I add some. It's all controlled by a stat in my player. Stats. Power 0 out of 100, stamina 100, and health. Health can actually do this. Yay. But here it's not controlled by the server, my actions, so that's why it didn't go back to full instantly. if it's local, it won't do good. So yeah, and oh, it's because I manually changed it, I think. That's why the bar isn't working. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think the connection to the server got destroyed because hold on, what plays the sound? I forgot. Hold on. That's a problem. So it's called foods. New food. Did I disable the food script? No, it's here. Tag food. What if I... Oh yeah, I forgot this map. Oh, maybe it's because of the map placement. Maybe if I go put this back in server storage, it should work. Test. Let's try it. Honestly, it should work the same. It's just not the same. And it felt like it was set up correctly. I mean, the thing was here. Yes, we have the restaurant with the pool thing. Yeah, I think it was in season 4 or 5. 4 or 5. I would say 4. No, I'm not sure. But hold on, let me grab a bike if I can get it in my map. Why is the mouse not? Ah, there we go. I honestly never know what uh, button to press to rotate an object. Around like this. And yes, you can fling them manually. That's for mobile players. As always, mobile players are left alone. While PC can do this, mobile players are forced to have their objects locked onto their head position. And yes, there are some animations. Hold on, let me extend the reach. Make it closer maybe. Oh, no. Oh, I was holding the further button. Hold on. Yes, so there are animations that change depending on what side you are on. For example, if I change the local data and I change this to evil, I don't care. And player added. Ah, wait, what's new character car? Command count, new car is 0, but 1 is specified. What? Oh, interesting. Well, at least it didn't crash the thing. Alright, let me... So now, if I do this... Yes, it's not the same animation. And the arm does shake. No, it's kind of more... Yeah, you know where I mean. And whenever you're going in the other dimension... Yes, the animation changes too. So, yeah, and I forgot to test the foods. Bruh. To be honest, it's kinda nice to be able to remake streams again. Because it wasn't playable even... Oh, wait, since when? Project... Oh, false manipulation. He accidentally added me to his game. I didn't know he had a game. Oh, why is it lagging? Why is it lagging? Oh yeah, and with this PC cleanup, I'm at full graphics. Again, unlike before, where I was like at 2 or 3 and it still lagged. Hold on, let me make the super fast thing. I love this feature. If you know how to use it, it's perfect. Now, does it work? Still not. Did it even set up? I mean, it should be set up. Each prompt, release it. So, oh yeah, fire server. Nope, nothing happens. So it's a server problem. Well, at least it's not the client, because that would be hard to fix. Because whenever some object is moved by a client itself, it's so hard to fix where it is, because it's not synchronized anymore. That's why you cannot sit back in the Tower of Terror. So it's not this, it should be this. Let me place print everywhere. Oh, get attribute 1. Nope, all this is good. Print new food model. Nope. Model. Print model, get attribute 1. Print player and model. If it does not have a character, it does not have a humanoid, all these should work, because yeah, get attribute is above max, then it's max. So yeah, let's try this. New food for 2, new food. Yeah, what is a 4? Oh, it's lagging a bit. Oh yeah. Food 3, food 2, food 1, food 1. Does it do multiple times? Can I access it? Food 1, food 1. Oh, it's not the same one. Oh, it tries to set up the... I get it. Let me add a safety thing. Collection. A thing that uh, is descendant. If not thing is descendant of workspace, then return. No, continue and game collection service. That's get I don't remember the function. Get instance added. Tag connect function tag. Oh no, tagged. Let me copy this and change the name of the thing. Then return this time. Alright, so let's see. Does it work now? Yes, because now it's getting the objects from the... I'll explain that later. It gets the object from server storage, place it in workspace, and set everything up. Where is the junkyard? gotta be in front and like this. It's kind of technical to do that, but once you master it, it's so useful. You can't even fly. So, yes, it works. Simple fix. Simple problem, simple fix. And since the client cannot see things in server storage, it cannot have this problem. That's why only the server had it and new 4. I don't know what a 4 is, but it's a 4. So yeah, perfect. And the reason why we see a few of those of the same one, it's because there's another waffle stack on this table, which is the place where I'm testing the powers mostly. Yeah. Dude, this one's the shiny one. Okay, so dude, I still need a name for this game. I have no idea. It's kind of like an SCP Secret Lab game. I mean, that will be. So now the upside down. How am I gonna make it? Dimensions. So I mean, I've gathered a few assets. I'm not a modeler, so that's why I use the toolbox. What? I don't remember what. Oh yeah, those are the vines. Portal 07. Oh yeah, that's the broken one. I mean, the beautiful one, but still kind of broken. So let me just add a light. Point light, like this. Range 120. Shadows, and like 5. So yeah, this one looks so good. I just cannot use it. I cannot really use it because these bones don't actually affect the thing, because I don't know why, but oh, transform worlds different. Hold on, if I move it myself, does it work? I'm gonna move it by. No, it doesn't. Bone, this. C10, where's C2? This, okay. Hold on, if I execute it, maybe it will work? I don't know. Rigs with bones are a nightmare. Oh, bruh. That's not even incurred. I mean, it's kind of normal, but... So, root port. Are every bones aligned? Oh yeah, every bone's following the thing. Oh! Okay, so there's nothing anymore. So if I move this, what happens? Huh? Oh, so this one's attached to this thing right here. Oh no, it's because the bone is called a root. I mean, it's not called a root. Oh yeah, it does work. Cool. Hold on. So if this one works, does it work in Studio? I mean in X. Oh, it's because they are not welded with the Modern 6Ds. Let me fix that. So this one has his own bone system. Okay, all these that extends into vines. So by the logic of it, I should weld branches to window. Modern 6D and drooling. So root port bone. This one would be another array of objects. And it does look like it's not for the vines, but rather for drooling. Shut up, you. Yes, it's not even aligned with the vines. I think it's for drooling. So, drooling and Root part to branches. No, root part to drooling. Minor 60. So now does it work? I mean, it should all be welded now, but does the bone system work? Alright, let's see. Does moving the bones work? This one we know it will, it will, but this one doesn't. That's something to know. This one, oh, that's so weird. Honestly, I have no idea how to rig as a bone structure. I know how to use Modern 6Ds, but not bones. It's so weird. What about this one? Oh, bruh. What about... Oh, come on. Just stand upright. Said stand upright. I'm gonna have to weld some... Oh, never mind. I'll just do this. Drooling, so... This one should... Oh, this is so weird. So strange, but... I don't know how I'm gonna make it work, but I'm just gonna use the normal portal now. This one will wait. I really don't like rigging these kind of things. Where is the portal? Oh, there it is. Hold on, let me see where I'm gonna place some of them. I mean, I should make one on the lab, to be honest. It's kind of the first one I should even think about. And yes, I did not finish the lab. So, yeah, I'm just gonna place the portal somewhere on it. Shut up! These aren't even PC notifications, it's mobile. Let me just place it right here. Oh, why is it lagging like this? It's not even gonna line because it's an angle. Where do I place this? I know I want it on the lab, but where on the lab? I don't think placing it here would be cool. Uh, you know what? For now it won't be this one, the main portal, because yeah, I'll just place it on the original wall I thought about because yeah, it's the right size and everything. Dude, I don't like the lag of whenever I select or unselect the map. That's annoying. Because the map is huge, it has thousands of parts. So it has to calculate all of this at once. Wait, does locking the thing works? Is it something you can lock? No, it's not. That's sad. Okay, I'm just gonna... I cannot even disable selection because I won't be able to move it. Alright. Except that one little vine, but for now it's just gonna be acceptable. So, let me make a like folder portals. Oh yeah, the vine do go down. That's cool. I hate this selection problem. Let my selection alone. Leave it alone. Okay, so what do we do with this thing? What do I do with this thing? Maybe a proximity prompt? I mean, prompts are cool, but I mean, technically, it's not. You're not forced into the portal in the series. You will decide to go through it, except if you're dragged into. But so I'm not gonna make it in a magnitude based thing. I'm gonna make it a prompt. I mean, I could place it where the light is. It's just kind of far away from the prompt, but I mean from the portal. So to be honest, it's still close. So let me add it. Proximity prompt. Action text. Enter. Um. Por just a portal. Of course, I'll upgrade the model later, but for now, it's just gonna be this. Gotta be sure not to select the main map. Oh, dude, this effect is cool. It's multiple force field layers, one in front of the other. So we got all these particle effects. I'm not gonna touch it yet, but yeah. So I got the prompt. Um, made. All right, so I'll just place a second one to see if the logic will work. Not even sure where I'll place it. It gotta be not close either, because yeah, it's gonna be poor game design if it's close. Maybe in Starcourt? I already know it. Starcourt doesn't have a portal, but neither does this one have. So plus it has some upside down relation in it. So let's just place one in it. Do I place it inside or outside? Well, I'm gonna say inside. The flickering is just the attachment that goes through some parts that has some shadows. That's why it's like this. So yeah, Starcourt. Wait, it says the Starcourt though. That's cool. Where do I place this huge portal? Hold on, let me disable the light. There we go. Oh, it looks so good like this. Huh, a conveniently flat wall. How convenient is that? To be honest, I did place the wall here because before it was just a black void wall, which is not good in some maps where you can go everywhere in them, like mine. So I replaced it with something the same color as the other walls. So yeah, we got the second portal here. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna make the vine system. Hold on, first of all, what does that look like? Let me bring it to the sunlight. Let me cancel the selection. Oh, it's so much better to move your mouse around. So yeah, they do look pretty like they are very similar to what we see in the show. Oh, it's one mesh part. Okay, but oh, it's mud. It's the mud material. I was wondering why it looked so good, but it's just the mud material. So we can make a vine that's cool just by using the mud material. Why is not this, but the default, like it's so much better. It's like, I mean, it's kind of like tubes now, but what? How am I gonna make the vine system? Hold on, let me go back to the base plate and place this here. So we need some cylinders in black and in mud. Yeah, that's exactly what we saw. Hold on, let me compare it to actual object because I'm not very good at building whenever I don't have something to compare the size I make to. For example, I can make a beautiful building and then whenever I visit it with a character, it's just, oh, that's huge, or oh, that's incredibly small. So that's why I always find a way to check one. So 14 now to no 1.1, no, just 1 and 1. All right, that's a better size already. That's a cool size. Now, how am I gonna make this thing generate everywhere? I also need some joints at the end. Like this. Yeah, that's exactly what we want the ends to be like. So we want 2 ends on each side. Okay, so that's gonna be 1 segment. How am I gonna make it? I have no idea. Maybe I should make it a union. Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep it as a model with this, the primary part. Primary part, where? This to this. And, vine. So, what we want is maybe something with attachments. I place it at the end of each one, like this, and like this. So this one's gonna be attachment 0, and this one's gonna be attachment 1. So whenever I clone it, I place the new one attachment 0. Where is it? This. To the attachment 1 of the old one. Alright, like this. Hold on. Let me just make a quick test script, and then I'll stop the thing. And hold on, let me make a quick script. Function new vine model. For now, I'll just make it quickly with the pivot on the attachment 1. Which one is it though? This one's the attachment 0, so that's where I'll put it on attachment 0. It's not very aligned. No, it is. It is. Okay, so now the pivot is here. It's just a test script. Script parent dot vine clone local new is equal to this. New parent is equal to script parent new pivot to script parent dot vine dot main dot attachment 1 dot world frame new vine. Oh, Bruh, I just realized I used model and then I used the actual one, so if it creates one in place, it's good. Oh, I didn't anchor everything, but I mean it did place a second one. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to end the stream right now, so I'll take it back in a few, like in 15 minutes, so yeah.